Welcome to the camper. We live out in the country on a dirt road, and rugs here get really dirty really quickly. So today I'm going to be replacing our existing rug with this new one. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package, give you an up-close look at the rug, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. I really did love this rug in here because it's easy to sweep, and as I said, we live in a very dirt-filled area, so I'm hoping that this has the same type of nice sweepable fabric. This does feel really soft, and it looks like it's going to be sweepable, but this feels softer than the one that I had, which I actually really like. It also has this rubbery non-slip backing, which is super important, especially in a sandy area. Now, there are some lines in this from shipping, but those will settle out after it's laid out for a while and you walk on it. You can even put maybe some books if there's some areas where it's a little bit more mounded than other areas. But the pattern on this is absolutely gorgeous. And I think it goes really well with like the camper aesthetic and brings a pop of color in here that was much needed. If you are looking for a new accent rug that has a really beautiful pattern, I would not hesitate to recommend this one. It's so pretty.